Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download OKX app for derivatives and spot orders, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred device, whether it's a smartphone or tablet. Navigate to your device's app store. If you're using an iPhone, open the Apple App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type OKX to find the app. Look for the app with the official OKX logo. Once you locate the app, tap on it to open the details page. Review the app's information to ensure it is legitimate. Now, tap the download or install button to start the download process. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, open the OKX app by tapping on its icon. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. If you already have an account, tap Login and enter your credentials. For new users, tap Sign Up to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. You may be asked to verify your identity via email or phone number. After verification, log in to your newly created account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app's interface. Look for the derivatives section for trading future contracts. To place a spot order, navigate to the spot section on the main menu. Explore the different trading pairs available for spot trading. Select a trading pair you are interested in. Review the current market data and price movements. Enter the amount you wish to trade in the designated field. Choose between a market or limit order based on your trading strategy. Double-check all details before confirming the order placement. Tap the Confirm button to execute your order. Monitor your order status in the Orders section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.